In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you. We have come with a very excellent recipe for the occasion of Eid. This is rabri kheer, and you will be able to make excellent rabri kheer at home for very little money. So watch the full recipe. Do not skip any part, as this recipe will be very beneficial for you, and you will be able to make rabri kheer at home at a very cheap price. So first we have taken 2 kilograms of milk. This is liquid milk. I have taken 2 kilograms of liquid milk. I have set it to boil. On the other side, I have blended a little more than half a cup of rice in the blender. Look, I have blended it by putting it in the jug. So, in this way, we have added all our rice to it and cooked these rice well with the milk. Rice takes a little time to cook like this. And on the other side, we prepare for the rabri. This is a bread that I have removed its side like this, and we will break its pieces into small fine crumbs. Yeah, see the bell. Button in this way, we have made fine crumbs of the soft parts of the bread and removed the side. Yeah, on the other side, we have put sugar to melt on low flame, and our rice has also started cooking well with milk. See, the thickness has started to come, right? The part of the milk that is thin, the thin milk has started to thicken. Bit by bit, because of the rice, we have to keep removing the sides like this and keep cooking our kheer. If you like the video, do like it and comment to tell me from which city, from which country you are watching my video. When you love it, do like and comment. Look, in this way we have now added sugar to it. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. I have added about 1.5 cups of sugar to it. Keep stirring continuously with the spoon like this. If you like it sweeter, you can add more sweetness, and if you prefer less, then add less. Also taste it to ensure the sweetness is normal, because it reduces a bit after cooling. Look at this, the breadcrumbs I made from the bread. We will add them to this. Use your hands to make it very fine, or you can also chop it in a chopper. We have added it very finely. See, and stirred it well with the spoon like this. See, we added the rest little by little and stirred it with the spoon so that no more lumps form in it inside our kheer. A very excellent kheer is going to be made. So do not skip the video at all. Watch it and definitely try this recipe and tell me in the comments how your kheer turned out. Look, the sugar we melted has turned into a nice caramel, so we will add it to the cooking kheer. We do not have to keep this caramel at all. We're going to keep it, and then all this caramel in the pudding caramel will solidify. So all our sugar will solidify. That's why you need to quickly add it into the hot pudding, and don't be afraid while adding it that bubbles may form suddenly, but you shouldn't be afraid at all. This will bring a very excellent color to our kheer. See, I have added all this caramel into it, which I made by melting sugar on low flame. We did not add any water to the sugar. I had seconded it directly on low flame to cook, and it will give a nice color to our kheer, just like rabri kheer, and you have to keep stirring it continuously. See, our kheer has become quite thick to a great extent. Look at it this way. Our kheer has thickened so wonderfully. Let's cook it a little longer, and then we'll show you. Many more things are going to be added to this, so do not skip at all and watch the video till the end. See, our kheer has cooked very well, and we have set it aside to cool. Once our kheer cooled, we added koya to it. We did not add it to the hot kheer because adding it to hot kheer melts all the koya. On the other hand, we have taken this cream, whipped cream, and we have taken a little less than 1 cup of cream with 2 kilograms of milk. The kheer being made with 2 kilograms of milk. See here, I have taken a normal teacup and kept a slightly lesser amount, and I have added this cream to the kheer. The cream you need to add should be added to completely cooled kheer. When your kheer is completely cold, you need to add this cream to it, and the cream is going to give a very excellent taste. you will get see your dip market like rabri kheer at home. Do try the recipe on aid and let me know how you like the video and the recipe. Let's dish it out after mixing it well. See, we have taken it out in our dish like this. Check its thickness, see how excellent it is, and look at the color and appearance of our rabri kheer, how wonderful it is. Hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, please like it. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz, and do remember us in your prayers, and do leave me a lovely comment.